organization is the American Association for Women Dentists. And a reason that people should join is because it's a great community. We do social events, philanthropy.
So we're APHA ASP, and we'd love for you to join our organization because we have lots of different volunteering opportunities, and we do a lot of hands-on care through the clinic.
Hello everyone, this is JSU. You don't have to be Jewish to join, but you have to be ready to eat.
Hi, so we're the Asian Healthcare Association, and one reason to join is we do get free Panda Express at every meeting.
Hi, I'm Leanne. I'm president of Arab Student Union. We showcase Arab culture, enjoy good food, and listen to some Arabic music.
Hi, we're Fellowship of Christian Healthcare Professionals. If you're looking to balance school and your spiritual life, come check us out.
Hi, I'm Daryl. I'm the president of Black Student Alliance, and you should join because we're going to have some really fun events this year.
Hi, so my name is Courtney. I'm the president of Pride. We are the LGBTQ group on campus, and we're focused on creating an inclusive community for LGBTQ students, faculty, and allies.
We're Underserved Medicine Club. We do a lot of volunteering-based events. We go to food banks. We're just going to do a lot of cool events this year, so you should join on Pulse.